Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about how to start a successful YouTube channel in 2024. Now, starting a YouTube channel can sometimes be intimidating and scary, but it doesn't have to be. So I've gathered some tips and we're going to go through them right now. My first tip is when you're starting your channel, I would make sure to upload at least 3 times a week. Now, I've seen channels where they start their YouTube channel and they post consistently and then they stop posting consistently. This is something that you don't want to do. If we don't post consistently on our YouTube, our views will eventually start going down. But I also want to throw in that we don't want to upload just for the sake of uploading. You want to make sure that the videos that you are putting out are good, but maybe even better than some of the other videos that you're seeing online. Some tips to do this is, I would in a way model your channel off of other people's channels. And I don't mean copying channels, I mean modeling, which is taking inspiration and seeing what they do that works well and seeing how you can apply it to your specific channel. We don't call it copying, we call it inspiration. There's a difference there. If you're uploading at least 3 great videos a week, then you'll be rising in views in no time. Now, what should we be posting on YouTube? Well, I found a list of 100 different niches that I'm gonna put on the screen here. Feel free to pause and take inspiration from them. These are all niches that are doing well at the moment. And in my opinion, the best niches would be these ones: travel, technology, relationships, psychology, happiness, finance, wealth, health, and how to make money online. And here is a bunch of higher paying niches that I have found: makeup, travel, technology, financing, making money online, cars, movies, insurance, legal stuff, and investing. Now, no need to get intimidated at the list that I just threw out at you. Those are just ideas. And the truth is, there are so many options for you to pick from. It doesn't even have to be anything on this list. This is just inspiration that I wanted to give. But people are just interested in so many different things. And the same person can be interested in a bunch of different topics. Such as me, I'm interested in makeup, skincare, books, music. Like, there's just so many things that people want to watch. But I would recommend choosing a niche that you also find interesting. You don't want to find yourself dreading to do the work that you're doing. For example, let's just say I hate reading, which I don't. I would not want to be picking this as my niche, as I would get bored of it quickly. Another tip with a new channel is I would want to make sure to optimize correctly. To optimize your videos correctly, I would make sure to sign up for vidIQ when you're getting started. vidIQ helps you manage and optimize your videos to gain an audience. I would use this tool to get popular keywords and use their suggestions for tags and use those tags in your own videos to see what's doing well. It is also important that you have a solid topic when creating YouTube videos. Again, you can search specific niches and see what is doing well within your specific niche and see what video ideas are really popping off at the moment. Another tip with a starting YouTube channel is I would make sure to upload at least 60 videos to really give it a good shot. I see a lot of people giving up on their YouTube channels after only posting 10 videos, and this is just not giving your YouTube channel a fair shot. And then what I see happening is that they're uploading videos that aren't really that great, and then they say, well, YouTube just doesn't really work for me. And they're just not giving it a fair shot, and they're not putting the effort into making these videos good. But I'm here because I want YouTube to work for you guys. And to the people watching this, do not give up. So I would suggest uploading at least 60 videos before you really are like, hey, YouTube isn't for me. Most of the big YouTube channels right now have uploaded hundreds and even thousands of videos before they really hit it big, or to get to the point that they're at now. And just remember, for some little inspiration, every channel starts with just one video. And let's ask ourselves the big question: is it possible to grow a YouTube channel in 2024? And also the question, is everything too saturated now? I think that saturation can be good up until a certain point. It can be good in the sense that you can get in suggested tabs of popular videos. But there can be a thing such as too much saturation if you're not producing great content anymore, as well as the other creators on the platform. Another discouraging factor that I found is thinking that there's too much competition on YouTube, and that how can I do well? There's already so many people on YouTube doing well. But what most people fail to also keep in mind is that viewership is increasing by the day. Every day, more and more people come on YouTube to watch videos. So let me just tell you, there is not a lack of viewers that would want to watch your content. But out of all the competition in the world, not everybody is producing good videos that are going to perform well. And not everybody is applying these strategies to their YouTube channels, which is a big mistake that I've seen. So my answer is yes. It is possible to create and grow a YouTube channel in 2024. Now here's a weekly roadmap that I've sort of constructed to help you guys grow a channel. So in the first week, let's make sure to choose our niche. Like I said, you can go back to the list of the niches to help you. I'd take a day to just really think about, what am I interested? Maybe make a list even and think, what am I interested? What niches apply to me? And what would I like to learn more about? For example, if I was somebody who is an introvert, I would pick a channel that is faceless, where you don't have to show your face and you don't have to present yourself to a camera. But if you're somebody that's an extrovert, I would do a channel that is showing your face. So we have 2 different niche categories. There's a bunch of possibilities within each one. And then I would take another few days out of the week to pick which niche sounds the best and the most appealing to you. It can be hard to pick a niche because you could be potentially in this specific niche for a year to come. So that's why I would make sure to really sit down and think about this for a couple of days before thinking, this is what I want to do. And maybe even make sure to research other channels and how those channels are doing in those specific niches. On the last day of the week, I would come up with a channel name. Shopify Business Name Generator is a great tool where you can brainstorm ideas for your channel name. And then to make sure that your name has not been copyrighted yet, I would use the Global Brand Database to do so. And now we're in week 2, phase 2 of the plan, okay? This is diabolical work. We are setting this channel up for success. Yes, we are. We're gonna have to actually create the channel. So, week 2, we're gonna be doing this. So this would include things as making a logo, profile picture, and channel art. Some free softwares that you can use to create some channel art that I found work best are Snappa, Canva, and PaintNet. You can also verify your channel when setting it up to unlock some extra features. And to do this, you'll go into your YouTube studio and then go to settings and then to channel and then to feature eligibility. And then with making our channel, we can also brainstorm video ideas and plan these video ideas out. So in the few following weeks, let's say weeks 3 through 6, we would actually generate the first 33 videos. A thing I like to do is writing scripts out for my videos, and I just use Google Docs. And then you're actually gonna start recording your videos, and this could mean recording face-to-face with the camera or screen recording on your computer or laptop, however you would like to do this. It just depends on what your YouTube channel is going to be. Now, editing these videos and actually bringing them together, some free editing softwares that I found work great. The Power Director app. So this is a software if you want to use your phone to edit. For Windows, Shortcuts is a good editing software that is free. And then with iPhone and Mac, I would use iMovie. With all of these combined, a good one that I found is CapCut. It works very, very well. Okay, let's talk about making thumbnails. How do we make a thumbnail? The thing that reels our viewers into our videos. By the way, I'm giving off all free softwares to use. I would use Canva, Snappa, or PaintNet. And then the last phase of the plan is week 7. And on week 7, we're gonna actually start to upload our videos. And this does not mean publishing all of these 33 videos in just 1 week. The good thing about producing the videos and then not posting them right away is that we're stocking up on videos so then we can post weekly. So I would schedule these videos to upload 3 videos per week over the next couple of months. And then just like that, you would have over almost 3 months of content already scheduled out and planned. And then with this process, you just go back and repeat it. So while your videos are scheduled to be posting, you will be making more videos for the future. It's just planning ahead. We gotta plan ahead, you guys. So continuously planning and growing a backlog for your channel is a very, very smart move that I recommend you doing, because eventually you'll have hundreds of videos on your YouTube channel and you'll really be giving it a fair shot on growing. And this is a really great method to use to make sure your YouTube channel does grow. In my opinion, I do think YouTube is one of the best areas to start your own online business in 2024, because the best part with YouTube is that you'll only have to upload a video once and then you'll just keep getting views forever and ever. So my advice for all of you is to pick a good niche you're interested in that you'll want to be working with for a while and go through this weekly plan that I set up, because then you'll be producing videos faster and easier, and you will grow a viewership more consistently and quicker. Now, if you want to learn how to potentially make money on YouTube without actually making YouTube videos, click on this link right here. Check out this free training course right here, as it'll go over 4 secrets on exactly how to do so. See you there.